Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of November 25th in my personal wide ring bound planner. This is going to be my last fall kit. I was going to switch to winter, but I had like exactly one fall kit left. So I was like, oh, let's just use them all up. Anyway, I have this lovely Simply Gilded washi, and this is a kit from M. Crystal Prints. This is the first time I've ever planned with one of her weekly kits. I've been super loving her monthly kits lately, and she just started doing foil weekly kits too, so that'll be cool to check out. Here is the full boxes, got a lot of like functional and scripts, a bunch of boxes and everything's squared off. I just thought this was really cute, so I picked this up while I was grabbing some kits. This kit is called Sweater Weather. It is like a smallish kit, but it's really nice and it was a good price point and everything. I am using those same double inserts from Jesenia Printables, which this is the weekly overview on like with a horizontal and listing, and then this is the personal wider plus inserts. I put them in the front so that my weekly thing is first, and all the rest of my inserts are personal wide size and they don't stick out because of that. So if you put it right near the front, you can sort of cheat. And anyway, I do have smaller rings in my planner, so I am going to go ahead and jump in. So I am kind of like bare bones and a little bit frazzled while I'm doing this. Basically, I was so sick on Sunday, and I usually plan on Sundays. We had the stomach flu run through our house last week, unfortunately, which was Thanksgiving week, and I was the last person to get it, or fingers crossed that the baby still doesn't get sick because he didn't. But anyway, so I was just like really frazzled and trying to do this on Monday morning really quick, like before I had to get to work and jump into my week. So I was like a little bit of a chicken without my head, if you will, while I was doing this, but I do think it turned out really cute. But anyway, I'm just doing my regular sidebar, and I wanted a happy mail checker and my habits this week, checking my planners, and then I have gotten really bad about like having my phone out when I'm with the kids again, so I want to make that like really my focus. I grabbed this planner from Toffee Bananas, but it was like way too big, so I'm going to save it and use it in the spread, and just grab the littler one from in the kit, and all those scripts are from Rose Colored Days. And then I thought the mint washi looked really nice with this, and then as well bringing in some of the orange and brown. This was a really cute fall kit, and like I said, I'm glad that I got to use all my fall kits because that feels like an accomplishment, because I don't have like a super scientific approach to buying them. So anyway, so glad I got to use them all. For winter, I think I've gone a little bit overboard, so not sure that will happen. But anyway, I just like to divide this section into 3 parts, and I do the meal plan, like random stuff in the middle, and then the weather along the side. I kind of got this idea from Llama's Love Lettering, who uses the horizontal iron quadrant. I tried to write the dates in with numbers, but then I had the wrong dates anyways, and I didn't like the way it looked, so I just used the date dots from Wild Summer Designs, which are like not on clear paper, to do that. And then I meant to use the green from this sheet, but I forgot, and then I tried to fix it, but it was too late, so I did use the green. So I was able to fix it because I wanted to use the green with this. I thought it looked really nice with this kit. Happy to get to use some more fall goodies, although this stuff could like be used anytime. It's just, the colors of the kit. But yeah, so I am going to go through with these date covers, and then I'm going to do 3 heart checklists. Once again, I am going to forget that I want to alternate them and put them all down on the same page, across the top, and then move them after I did the full boxes, which is, super fun. And this kit had a little bit of trouble, like more trouble than some kits pulling up. It's not like, it's a nice matte paper, but it's not like a really juicy premium matte, if you will. But yeah, so anyway, so that is probably why I think the premium matte pulls up a little bit easier. But anyway, I've been liking the full boxes across the middle and the alternating checklists. It makes the stuff look a little bit, makes the spread look a little bit less busy. And then if I just run one Simply Gilded washi on the bottom, I can use all of that bottom space as like extra planning space as well. So anyway, on Monday was Cyber Monday, and I had some shopping I wanted to do, so I went ahead and put that as my big thing for the day. And then I am going to go ahead and move all of the checklists down and move that trash day icon that marks my Tuesday trash day, move that all along to the bottom as well. And then after I move that last checklist, I'll be more ready to do the day by day. And then I put it on the wrong side, which I didn't even notice, like looking at my planner later to fill it out and everything. I didn't even notice until I was editing this video that was on the wrong side. So I may flip that over, but it's also not a big deal anyway. So then also on Monday, I have to pack lunches. I have some like work emails that I need to make sure I sent because it's actually Tuesday while I'm recording this voiceover. And then I also needed to do some planning, which I was doing right here because I did not do it on Sunday because I literally slept all day, just like the whole day. Anyway, then on Tuesday, my daughter has school, and as well, I need to do some filming, and this video will come out as long as I can get everything all finished up in a reasonable amount of time, but I'm going to try and get this finished and posted for you guys today. So the school script is from Rose Colored Days, and the scribbler is from Scribble Prints Co., and that film icon is from Art Box Stickers, and that film script is from the Sticky Committee. And then I'm going to mark down this video, and I'm going to use a heart from, from Paper Muse Crafts, a bow from Paper Muse Crafts. Sorry, just mixing it up a little bit this week. And then on Wednesday, it's actually my YouTube anniversary. So that's really exciting. 1 year YouTube anniversary. So I used a Clever Gal Crafts heart to mark that. Really just like, that's very exciting. Anyway, and then I, again, need to pack lunches and do some laundry. So I grabbed one of these Planning World icons and I'm going to put that against a piece of washi. And then the last thing I'm going to put on Wednesday was like just trying to figure out where to fit this in because it's going to take more than one day. But Hanukkah starts this Sunday and I have like 16 presents for kids to wrap. So I need to get on the wrapping. I guess I don't have a full 16 because some days are combo presents for the kids, but it's a lot of presents to wrap. Anyway, it's like all little stuff. We didn't go like too crazy, although it feels like you're going crazy because you get like one present each night. But like a lot of the stuff is smaller because the kids are little and they don't need like a million expensive things. And my parents will send stuff and they'll still get Christmas presents when we get home and visit with my husband's family. So, but anyway, yeah. So a lot of Hanukkah present wrapping going on. And then Thursday, my daughter has school again. So I grabbed another scribbler. I just wanted to use a different one because I usually do drop off on Tuesdays and my husband does it on Thursdays. So I like to mark that a little bit differently. And then I grabbed another school script from Rose Colored Days. And then I had just like a work thing that I wanted to mark up top. And then the other thing is I wanted to take some photos to do some destashing. I have like some Foxy Fixes from a mystery sale and some kits and stuff. Anyway, basically I'm going to be destashing some stuff and I need to take like listing photos for that. So then I had a work thing that I wanted to mark and I didn't have anything else, so I just put it in a half box. Then on Friday, our cleaning people are coming. I'm giving myself a half box for whatever fun activity we do. And then as well, my December monthly video will be out on Friday as well, so grabbing another quarter box for that with another Paper Muse Crafts bow. Oh, actually, first I marked that I had to go to the post office, but then I just moved that to Saturday. I don't know whether we're going to do that on Friday or Saturday. But yeah, so I just wanted to make sure I could fit the video in, so I ended up moving it to Saturday, which was not a big deal. I'll probably go on Saturday, but honestly, I'm not really sure. I actually have to go to FedEx, which is like kind of a little bit more of a pain than going to the post office. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. And then I was going to make myself a little errands checklist for the weekend. We have like a chest freezer and we're trying to eat everything in the chest freezer before we go away for like our Christmas end of year vacation so that we can unplug our freezer and defrost it. So we're like trying to be like really smart about our grocery shopping and really like eat everything that's in our freezer, like which is mostly meats. We buy our meats at Costco and then like buy our regular groceries at the grocery store. So yeah, anyway, Sunday Hanukkah starts and my regular plan with me and my Erin Codron will be out. And then I also want to plan next week. So I grabbed one of these little scripts from Scribble Prints Co. I like them, but they're so tiny. I kind of wish they were a little bit bigger. And then I found this me time thing and I just squeezed that in there because I thought it was cute and I like to get some me time on the weekends. And then I left myself a little flag activity for Sunday. And then I had these
foiled leaves from Nicole Alexia Designs. So glad to use a few more fall goodies that I had left over. And then I'm just going to finish up with those and the deco, and then that is it for this week.
Okay, I'm going to fill this out later because I'm in a little bit of a rush right now, but I just wanted to quickly show you everything back in my planner. I did add one more overlay because I realized I only had one left on my fall sampler, like fall overlay sheet from Rose Colored Days, so I just popped that on this box, and then that is everything. I have a peach palm and a fur and you clip on this page. Love that I got one last week of fall kits. Love that I got to use all my fall kits. Let me show you what I have left. Just a little bit of the sampler. This was a pretty big kit, so I do have quite a bit left here. And yeah, that is that. I will use my pen gem with a Pilot High-Tech C insert in it when I do fill this out, but that is everything. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!